Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Reels on Instagram without third-party apps. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram Reel is a popular feature on the Meta-owned platform that allows users to create, watch, and share short videos. These videos can be entertaining, engaging, and informative, depending on the creator of the Reels. Instagram also allows users to share these Reels with friends or family or save them in Instagram bookmark folder. However, there is no direct way to download this video short. So, if you want to download your Reels on Instagram without third-party apps, first of all, make sure that you have update your Instagram into the latest version, because on the latest version on Instagram, you can download Reels from Instagram directly. You can update the app. After you finish update the Instagram, you can open the app, the Instagram. Now, you can go to the Reels that you want to download. As example, I will download these Reels. I will choose these Reels to download. Now you can tap on your on the share icon on the Reels here. So you'll see there is an option like Threads, add to story, and download. You can tap on download. It will be downloading, and the Reels will be downloaded into your gallery. Let's see. Here's the Reels. So you don't need to using or install third-party apps to download Reels from your Instagram. So that is how to download Instagram Reels without using third-party apps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!